9 to 9 show, where I share with you 9 things at 9 in the morning for less than 9 minutes. I'm Kathryn Jones, founding design hacker, your host, and let's get started. Okay, today I'm going to talk about 9 steps for high converting funnel design, an easy training. We're going to go ahead and get going. Okay, number 1, you have to understand that good design does not equal pretty. Good design equals conversions. Who cares if you have something pretty if it doesn't make you any money, okay? Number 2, the definition of design hacking is all about how to present stories that convert. If we're going to do that on a funnel, we need to know the actual steps to do that, okay? Presenting stories. Stories is just an exchange of information, also can be an offer, okay? How to present a story or exchange of information in a way that actually converts, okay? Now, the way that we do that, number 3, is we have to identify 3 things. Number 1, who is absolutely killing it in our niche, who's killing it amongst our customer base, and who is killing it and getting that customer base to do what we want them to actually do, whether that's subscribe or buy some dollar product or schedule a strategy call or something like that, okay? Because once we do that, once we identify those 3 things, then we can go find top converting sites among those. Reason being, number 5 is this allows us to go find pattern amongst what's already working in the design of people that are already in your niche, already working with your customer base, and already getting them to do what you want them to do, okay? Which brings us to number 6. Once we know the patterns, then we know what we need to then implement in our own thing. So you're gonna go ahead and start collecting assets. So if you need certain images, great, start collecting them. If you need certain videos, great, start collecting them, okay? Number 7, once you have all those assets created, once you've done your brainstorm, you're gonna start to sketch a design. What does it need to look like? Incorporating all the patterns that we found among the top converting brands, okay? Then, what you're going to go ahead and do, if you know design hacking, you can go ahead and actually start building this out. You can bypass coding, you can bypass Photoshop, you can bypass graphic design by using free internet tools and PowerPoint, basically. Design hacking, it's amazing, okay? Then, build it out with ClickFunnels. You can honestly use design hacking with any funnel building software. I personally recommend ClickFunnels. I think it's the most versatile in what it is that we are trying to do. But that is it, you guys, for 9 steps for converting funnel design, a beginner training. Okay, if you want to learn more, come hang out with us in our free Facebook group, Design Hackers Official. Or if you want to get really deep into funnel designing funnels, go to cfdesignschool.com. Bye.